sell your home and then buy a new one without being homeless. Here's how. The timing between selling a home and moving into a new one can be a tightrope. It's really important that you have a great support team around you, making sure that all the different items line up exactly how they should so you can make that seamless transition. There are several different ways to accomplish this seamlessly, and here's one that I want to tell you how we helped a client recently accomplish just that. First of all, we went to their home and got all the things that we needed to do to get ready to go on the market, teed up and ready to go. So we got all the pictures done, we knew exactly what price we were going to go at, and we just hit the pause button. Then we went out and actually found a home for them to purchase, knowing that we could make a contingent offer on that house. Here's a bonus. We actually went to new construction because they are much more flexible on contingencies and closing dates. So we found the perfect house for them, put it under contract, and then immediately went and put their home on the market for sale. A couple weeks later, we got them a contract on their house, which allowed them to seamlessly move to their new construction home in their time on their terms. This is just one example in a way that you can do it using new construction. There are lots of different ways to structure this. We can sit down and customize a plan for you and walk you through the process step by step. Just shoot me a message, we'll get started today.